My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Audi TT. This vehicle has done just over 71,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and to the right we have voice control and automatic wipers. Next up is our virtual cockpit, where we can access our settings, smartphone integration, media, radio, sound, warnings and car. To the left of our screen we have our drive select button, where we can switch between efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual. Just below we have our button to control our convertible roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.